Alright guys, I have like 5 minutes and I have all of these leftover testers that I've been using to test the DecoArt pouring medium. So what am I going to do? You know it! I'm gonna fill up a cup. Let's see what magic we can create. I'm literally just going to go through and scrape each of these out, and I am going to keep each of the sets together. I don't know why, that's just my little OCD thing for today. So these were the pouring medium and water. Pouring medium 3-part, paint 1 part, with probably about 2/3 of a part water. Oops, hold on, wrong white. That white. We're going to have a lot of paint here. Now the next lot I'm going to do is the pouring medium and Americana Floetrol mix. So this was a 50-50 mix of Floetrol and DecoArt pouring medium, and then 50-50 mixed that with the Americana paint. Not a lot of these ones left. But hey, may as well get them done. Get rid of it. And seeing as we've got so little of those ones, I'm going to go straight on to the Americana and pouring medium only. No water. Now these are definitely not mixed for consistency with each batch, so please excuse any horrendous results that we get. We've got Reeves paint, we've got Americana, and we've got pouring medium, we've got Floetrol. Everything except the whites have got silicone in them. We should just about have enough for this record. How's it get any better than that? And this one is the Floetrol and pouring medium and paint with the Reeves. So let's flip it and see what gets created. Are we ready for this? Wow. That's pretty cool. I'm liking the colours. We got silicone cells already without even torching it. Let's just get rid of some of those bubbles. Quick torching. Whoa! There's a lot of silicone in there though, guys, I must say. And it's definitely a colourful creation. How does it get any better than this, guys? What do you do when you've got leftovers? You pour it all together. And you come out with something stunning. Just like that. Look at that. I love it. I do love it. I do love it. I do believe in fairies. I do believe in fairies. That is colourful, guys. That is super colourful. Wow, wow, wow. And I quite like the cup too. Check that out. Alright, let's get rid of these bubbles. And then I'm going to go pick the kiddly tots up from school. Well, they're not kiddly tots really. They're teenagers. And it's pouring with rain. Wow, I'm excited to see what happens, what shows up, what gets created with this one. It is just so busy, incredibly busy, especially this patch down here. So let me get you down and show you what we've ended up with. Magical mystery tour. Look at this. Look at those cells. There are so many cells and they are all over the place. Sorry about the reflection. Wow. That's delicious. I am so looking forward to seeing. Oh, did you get the eye? Hello, I can see you. Come on, focus please. I am so looking forward to seeing how this one dries. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Busy. How does it get any better than that? See you soon. Okay, while it's not raining, I thought I'd pop out here and show you this in the daylight. It is so busy and it has got so many different variations of colours, and the cells are so, it's cool. I really like it, and I'm really aware that my husband doesn't, so it's not going to end up in our house. There's been a few little bits like this one down here where there's been a bit of cracking in the cells, but I'm okay with that. That's pretty cool. It's just so awesome. I love it. All those little pots all coming together to create something magical. And it's very cool. I like it. I like it a lot. So there you are, guys. That's what it looks like in the end. As I said, it does have a few little spots where it's gone crazy, but that's okay. So if anyone loves it, let me know, and it can be yours. What else is possible? What magic can we create today? And what if it doesn't have to look the way you thought it should? Come join us on Acrylic Pouring for fun. On Facebook, we are a growing community of people who just want to share what they've been creating and ask questions about how to do it and all those sorts of things. So come play with us, and if you'd like to know when I post finished paintings in my shop, or when get notifications of all those really cool things like live events, sign up on mickeyart.com/sign up, and hey, there might even be some free giveaways in there just for those that have signed up. Who knows? I adore you all, have fun, and I will see you very, very soon. Bye bye.